Hello friends, in last lecture, in lecture number 7, we have discussed the 7 example of exercise number 3.6, chapter number 3, that is linear equation in two variables. Our main aim is to solve the equation, means to find out the value of x and y in the equation. You know, there are many methods to solve equation, and in last period we have started a special method where the variables x and y are there in the denominator. So we have already solved several example. Let me solve last example, that is 8th one of exercise number 3.6. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Suppose 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q in this example. So when you assume 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p, this equation becomes p plus q is equal to 3 by 4. So if you cross multiply, you get 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. That is equation number 1. Similarly, when 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p, so this becomes p by 2 minus this becomes q by 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let me take 2 LCM. So you get p minus q upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So p minus q is equal to minus 2 by 8. So p minus q is equal to minus 1 upon 4. So you get 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. This is your second equation, the equation number 2. So the first equation, second equation, you can easily cancel 4q by using method of elimination. So 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. Can cancel these two. 8p is equal to 3 minus 1 means 2. So p is equal to 2 by 8. You can write is equal to 1 by 4 means p is equal to 1 by 4. Let me place the value of p is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 1. So 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q is equal to 3. So 4q is equal to 3 minus 1. 4q is equal to 2, and that's why q is equal to 1 by 2. So here we get p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2. Now p is equal to 1 by 4, but p means 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. So you can write 3x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly, q is equal to 1 by 2. q is equal to 1 by 2. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now let me solve these two equations by elimination method. So in this example, we have to use a method of elimination 2 times. Well, so 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. We can cancel y. 6x is equal to 6. X is equal to 1. Put the value of x in any one equation. That is 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, our solution is 1 and 1. Well, Similarly, first of all, you have to assume 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. Convert this equation in terms of p and q. So your first equation is 4p plus 4q by 3. The another equation is 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. Now eliminate these two equations by method of elimination. Find the value of p, then find the value of q. From p, write down one equation in terms of x and y. From q also, prepare one equation in terms of x and y. Solve these two equations again by method of elimination. You will get value of x and y. Very important example, because numerator is not x and y. Denominator is in the term of x and y. But denominator contains x and y both. And that's why here you have to use method of elimination 2 times. Well, now question number 2, last question of exercise number 3.6, that is problem some practical problems. Formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equation and find solutions. You know, here practical problems is given to you. By reading this practical problem, first of all you have to assume 2 variables x and y. Then you have to prepare 2 equations in the form of x and y. And then you have to solve the equation by any method you want. That is, you can use graphical method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, or method of elimination. So let me read this practical problem. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers again in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water, and again you have to find out the speed of current. Speed of current means speed of current of water. So 2 variables are given to you. Number 1, the speed of rowing in a still water, and second one, speed of the current. So let me assume speed in still water be x kilometer per hour, and second one, the speed of the current of water is equal to y kilometer per hour. So the important thing in this example is to identify x and y. So you know, in downstream means you are in the opposite direction of flow of water. Your speed is higher than the speed of current of water. So in downstream, the current of water helps you to increase your speed. So friends, in downstream, the speed is increases by y, x plus y kilometer per hour, because your speed is x kilometer per hour. But when you travel in a downstream, the flow of water also helps you to increase your speed. So the final speed becomes x plus y kilometer per hour, and that's why the speed in still water is x, speed of current of water is y. Therefore, in downstream your speed is x plus y kilometer per hour, and when you travel upstream means the opposite direction of the flow of water. Obviously, the flow of water try to reduce your speed. Your speed is x. The speed of current of water is y. So in upstream, your speed become x minus y kilometer per hour. So friends, in downward, speed is x plus y kilometer per hour. In upstream, the speed is x minus y kilometer per hour. Now you know one rule, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. Here time is given to you. So the time equation is time is equal to distance upon speed. In first case, hours is time is 2 hours, kilometer distance means 20, and speed is x plus y. So 2 is equal to 20 upon x plus y. So you can write 2 into x plus y is equal to 20. So you can write x plus y is equal to 20 by 2. So x plus y is equal to 10. So that is your first equation. Similarly, from here 4 kilometers. So distance is equal to 4 kilometers. Again 2 hours. So time is equal to 2 hours, and the speed in the downstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. So if you cross multiply, you get 2 into x minus y is equal to 4. So you get x minus y is equal to 2. So now you get to equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Second one is x minus y is equal to 2. So when you cancel these two, you get 2x is equal to 10 plus 2, 12. So x is equal to 12 by 2. So x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. So the speed of Ritu is 6 kilometer per hour. Now put the value of x is equal to 6 in any one equation. Let me write first equation. X plus y is equal to 10. Therefore 6 plus y is equal to 10, and that's why y is equal to 10 minus 6 and y is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So the speed, find her speed of rowing in still water. So the speed of rowing in still water is 6 kilometer per hour, and the second one is find the speed of a current of water. Here the speed of current of water is y, and that is 4 kilometer per hour. Now let me start problem sum number 2. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it, means this embroidery work, in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. So from this example, you have to identify your variable, that is x and y. So in last 2 lines it is given to you, find the time taken. So you can assume the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is x days, while the time taken by one man alone to finish the work is y days. So let me assume this. One woman alone can finish the work in x days, and one man all alone can finish the work in y days. So now we assume x and y. You know, a man, a woman complete the work in x days, means the work done by one woman in 1 day is 1 by x part of work. Again, woman finish a work in x days. So to complete work, she require x days, means work done by one woman in 1 day is equal to 1 by x part. Similarly, the work done by one man in a 1 day is 1 by y part of the work. Now, here given to you 2 women and 3 men. One woman means 1 by x. One man means 1 by y. So, 2 women means 2 by x. 5 men means 5 by y. Work together, and that's why we add them. 2 by x plus 5 by y. So friends, work done by 2 women and 5 men together is 2 by x plus 5 by y part of the work. But you know, they complete the work in 4 days. But they finish the work in 4 days. So 4 times this work, because this is the work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day. Therefore 4 times 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1. So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. This is your equation number 1. Similarly, in second part it is given 3 women. So 3 by x. 6 men. So 6 by y. They finish their work in 3 days, and that's why is equal to 1 by 3. So from this conclusion, you can write similarly 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is your second equation. Now you know how to solve this equation where x and y are there in the denominator. So you have to assume 1 upon x is equal to p, 1 upon y is equal to q. So in first equation, if you replace the value, so 2p plus 5q is equal to 1 by 4, cross multiply, 4 to 8p plus 5 4 20q is equal to 1. Similarly, put the value of 1 upon x and 1 upon y in second equation. This become 3p plus 6q is equal to 1 by 3, cross multiply. This gives us 9q plus 6 3 is 18, 9p plus 18q is equal to 1. Now, use elimination method to find out the value of p and q. Here p 8, the coefficient of p is 9. So multiply this equation by minus 9, multiply this equation by 8 to use method of elimination. So this become minus 72p, 920 is a minus 180q is equal to minus 9. Here 8 9 is 72p, 18 8 is 144q is equal to 8 1 is 8. This to cancel out. Minus 180 plus 144, so minus 36q, minus 9 plus 8 is equal to minus 1. So 36q is equal to 1. So q is equal to 1 by 36. Now put the value of q is equal to 1 by 36 in equation number 2. So 9p plus 18q is equal to 1. 9p plus 18 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1. 18 to 36. 9p is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 9p is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 18. Now your aim is to find out the value of x and y. Here you get p and q. So now you can easily convert p and q into x and y. P is equal to 1 by 18. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18 because p is equal to 1 by x. So x is equal to 18. So one woman alone take 18 days to finish embroidery work. Similarly, q is equal to 1 by 36. Q means 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 36. Therefore, y is equal to 36. And y means man alone can finish the work in y days. So, one man alone can finish the work in y days. So, your answer is x is equal to 36, 18, x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. So, a man can finish embroidery work in 36 days while a woman can complete the embroidery work in 80 days. So, there are only 3 examples in the second part of this exercise number 3.6. I have already solved 2 examples. The third one example is very simple and this is homework for you. So with this, we complete this chapter, that is chapter number 3, linear equation in 2 variables. Let me recall all 8 lectures for this chapter. In first lecture, we have discussed what is linear equation in 2 variables. The formula is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here we have pair of linear equation. So question is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then we have discussed graphical method. You know, when 2 graphs intersect each other at one point, then it has one solution. If the graphs are parallel, then it has no solution. If the graphs are coincide each other, you know, it has infinitely many solutions. Then we have solved a substitution method, method of 5 equations. Then we have discussed method of elimination. To eliminate any variable, the value should be same and sign should be opposite. And we have discussed many examples for method of elimination. And then in 5th lecture, we have discussed cross multiplication method. Very important method. They ask one example for cross multiplication method, or you can say Cramer's method for examination. So cross multiplication method. Then we have discussed special method to solve linear equation in 2 variables. Special method means variables are given to you in the equation, but they are in the denominator. So how to convert the variables in denominator into variables into numerator by assuming 1 upon x is equal to b, 1 upon y is equal to b. Sometime 1 upon under root x is equal to b, 1 upon under root x is equal to y. In some time 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to x, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to p. So in this way you can solve the linear equation in which variables are there in the denominator. Then in last period we have discussed practical problems. So first of all, read those practical problems. First of all, identify the variable x and y. Then prepare equation in terms of x and y, and then solve by any method from the four method. But the easiest one is elimination method. So use method of elimination and find out the value of x and y. Well, so in next class we will discuss another very important new chapter of mathematics. Thank you friends. Thank you.